The first results are in for one of the 13 experiments conducted by Polish astronaut Sławosz Uznański-Wiśniewski on board the International Space Station. The initial phase of the LeopardISS experiment, which involves an advanced computer equipped with AI algorithms and machine learning, has proven that Polish hardware and software can work in orbit.
Leopard przetwarza dane na orbicie.
Leopard processes data in orbit, which enables it to detect failures quicker, before they become a threat to the mission. Imagine an observational satellite that detects a fire or an oil spill while mapping Earth and immediately notifies the relevant services about it. This is the kind of progress that the LeopardISS is bringing us closer to.
Instead of sending huge amounts of raw data to Earth, Leopard analyzes it directly on board the ISS, reducing reaction time to potential problems and enhancing autonomy of space missions. And success in conducting experiments like this in space not only leads to scientific advancements, but also economic benefits.
To sell something in the space sector, you need to have something called space heritage, which is the final stamp. Yes, this has properly worked in space conditions on the ISS, on a small satellite, or whatever.
The focal point of the experiment thus far has been autonomous navigation, critical for future space missions. In the absence of GPS signals on the Moon or Mars, robots must be able to determine their location independently. By virtue of having been in space, the technology has already benefited its developers.
As I heard from people working there, they already are selling this product because Sławosz has brought this experiment and had it tested on the International Space Station.
Sławosz Uznański-Wiśniewski.
The Polish mission to the ISS advanced the country's space sector, which continues to grow. On Thursday, Polish Defense Minister Władysław Kosiniak-Kamysz announced that Poland's first military satellites will be in orbit in a matter of days. Among them is a synthetic aperture radar satellite that captures detailed satellite imagery regardless of weather conditions, critical for security and defense.
We can see the movements, for example, of the army in satellite images, right? So we can see how the enemy is approaching, for example, our border.
Poland's military satellites will launch into space aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket from Cape Canaveral, Florida. For TVP World, I'm Sonia Agata-Biszczyn.